Hi, my name is John. I'm presenting the LH series of videos tracking stock trading in an attempt to earn outsized gains. These videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a registered professional financial advisor, and any trades you make in your own accounts are your responsibility. Stock trading is inherently risky and can involve losses. Welcome to the algorithm. We are going to follow the algorithm. This is not day trading, so you only need about 10 minutes a day to do this. We're going to do this while the market is open. I am going to get on the market just after it opens, run the algorithm, produce the results, make some recommendations. I'll trade my account so we can track actuals and get performance. I'm targeting outsized gains, and this will be benchmarked against the S&P 500. So as we identify stocks, the idea is to get maybe a dozen less target stocks. We're going to look for, when we hit a 50% gain, we're going to sell 60% of the holdings. So we put most of the money back in the bank. And then at that point, we will repeat. For example, $1 stock, we buy 10 of them for $10. It goes to $1.50. We're going to sell 6 of them, put $9 in our pocket. And we got 4 shares left at $1.50. We're going to put those up for sale at $2.25 and repeat. Every day we'll identify portfolio adjustments. As there's a limited amount of funds, we will focus on the best ones. So some stocks we'll get into, maybe nothing happen, or maybe they go through this cycle and stagnate, and those might be scrolled back or sold entirely. To manage the entire portfolio, we could call it the float. The cash in the background won't be left as cash. There'll be a background portfolio. This portfolio will be bought and sold. We can go into a whole separate video on what that portfolio is. It's actually a really good portfolio on its own. So tomorrow what I will do is a trade 100,000, and we will track the actual stocks. I will track movement of cash in here as a spreadsheet, and we're going to benchmark this against the S&P 500. We'll see how we're going. We can look at this every day. So a little bit about the portfolio. This portfolio will be actually traded in a Fidelity account. The numbers will probably be slightly different. I will build a spreadsheet to convert the actual numbers into this theoretical $100,000 portfolio. And I will try not to trade any other stocks in there so that things like dividends show up correctly. And then as those show up, those will get recorded here on the cash page and added cash to the total portfolio. Cash will be recorded here, the total, and we'll see how it goes.